Basically, you have to click on these three lines. When you click on these three lines, this menu is going to come up. In this menu, you're going to click on Account Center. When you click on Account Center, this menu is going to come up and you're going to click on Personal Details. Basically, you have to delete your account forever. So click on Personal Details. Then we move towards Account Ownership and Control. When you click here, you get into a different menu in which deactivation or deletion is depicted. You click here and it's going to move you to a place where you have to choose your accounts. Basically, there will be different accounts and you have to choose the one you want to delete that are connected with your other accounts. So you click on the account that you want to delete. You click here and basically it will get you to deactivation or deletion. You select deletion and you continue. When you continue, it's going to ask you for reasons. You select any of the reasons and you continue. And here it will ask you to be, for example, it's asking me about the same thing. We continue with it. I'm going to give my password. And then after that, for 1 month, if I do not log into my account, it's going to permanently delete my account forever. The timeline it will give you is, for example, 1 month after a date. And if you do not log in,